Today's medical-centric topic is 7 proven health benefits of matcha tea. Diving into the vibrant world of matcha tea, this video uncovers the myriad of health benefits this green powerhouse offers. Celebrated for centuries in Japanese culture, matcha isn't just a traditional tea, but a health elixir, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Let's explore the 7 proven health benefits that make matcha tea a must-add to your daily regimen. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Detail: matcha is exceptionally high in catechins, a type of antioxidant that combats cellular damage and promotes a healthy complexion. Impact: regular consumption can help protect against chronic diseases and enhance skin health. 2. Enhances brain function. Research findings: studies suggest that matcha can improve cognitive function, attention, and memory thanks to the combination of caffeine and L-theanine. Benefit: this makes matcha an excellent beverage for maintaining mental alertness and clarity. 3. Promotes heart health. Evidence: the antioxidants in matcha are beneficial for heart health, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides. Advantage: drinking matcha may also help regulate blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. 4. Aids in weight loss. Mechanism: matcha has been found to increase metabolism and fat burning, both at rest and during exercise. Outcome: incorporating matcha into a healthy lifestyle can support weight management goals. 5. Detoxifies the body. Process: the high levels of chlorophyll in matcha not only give it its vibrant green color, but also help detoxify the body by eliminating heavy metals and chemical toxins. Result: regular intake can lead to a purified, healthier body system. 6. Boosts immune system. Components: matcha contains various compounds, including catechins and L-theanine, which have been shown to enhance immune function. Effect: this can help protect against pathogens and reduce inflammation, supporting overall health. 7. Reduces stress. Action: the L-theanine in matcha promotes relaxation without drowsiness, largely thanks to its ability to increase alpha wave activity in the brain. Consequence: drinking matcha can help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calm. Matcha tea is more than just a trendy beverage. It's a potent source of nutrients and antioxidants that offer significant health benefits. From enhancing brain function and heart health to aiding in weight loss and detoxification, matcha is a versatile and powerful addition to your health regimen. Embrace the tradition and health benefits of matcha tea and make it a staple in your daily routine for a healthier, more vibrant life.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.